Thank you for taking the time to participate in the American Real Estate Seminar for Revens USA. As you may know, the collapse of the real estate market caused by subprime mortgage loans has affected not only Americans, but people all over the world. Even today, the value of real estate in the United States is decreasing, while foreclosure sales still continue to increase. The American residential markets reveal an average increase rate of 5% in the past 40 years. This is because the population of the United States is constantly increasing as one of the most advanced nations, and latent demand for real estate exists at all times. This is the reason why investors from all over the world are investing in this American market to seek superiority. In today's seminar, we would like for you to understand the present situation of the American real estate market and acknowledge this great opportunity for each prospective investor. The neighborhood that is shown here is Newport Beach. Most of the beach properties are located right along the coastline, where many visitors come to the area to enjoy jogging, cycling, and taking in the scenery. This is the city of Torrance, where the Revens USA office is located. The area is a good environment where there are many Japanese businesses and residents. It is located very conveniently to neighboring cities and the heart of Los Angeles, only 20 minutes from the Los Angeles airport and 30 minutes from downtown LA. Please enjoy the seminar, and thank you very much for your time today.